As business owners or Christian business owners, or when things are not going well in business, when we're struggling in business, maybe we're not making sales, and maybe people are not even inquiring or anything, we will go to God for a solution, right? Go to God, Lord, help my business, um, bring me customers, all those things. But then God will give you a solution, and the solution may require you to get out of your comfort zone, but you're not willing to get out of your comfort zone. So you'll try to find different ways to do the thing that God told you to do. When He was very clear, you want to find different ways to kind of tweak the solution that God gave you, to tweak the instruction that God gave you to suit your comfort, to be more comfortable for you to do. So he may have pointed out to you or shown you either through a video you came across, or through by giving you wisdom, or placing it in your heart or dropping that in your heart to show you that, okay, my marketing is not that good in my business. I am lacking in the area of marketing and I need to learn marketing. Like, God will tell you through the Holy Spirit that you need to learn marketing. He will put several videos and all kinds of messages in your face letting you know you need to learn marketing. But because you're lazy, right, and you don't want to get out of your comfort zone, you don't want to do anything that will require more of you, right? You just want to find hacks. You want to find quick hacks. Here are fast hacks to get more views. You think that, okay, maybe I can just grow my followers. Maybe I can just. God said, learn marketing. Marketing helps you to put your product in front of your customer. It helps you to communicate to your customer who you are, what you're about, what your product can help them with, why they need to have your product, why they need to buy your product. But you don't want to go and learn those things or how to apply them to your business. So you're going to find ways around it and you're going to continue struggling. But when all you need to do is literally sit down and learn marketing, sit down and gain the knowledge that you need to gain. Stop being lazy. I once made a video and it had a lot of value, and someone said to me, oh, maybe you should like split it up into different parts so that people can watch. And I'm thinking, the person my message is meant for, the person my lesson is meant for, will sit down and watch the entire video, and they will take down what they need to take down. I don't need to shorten my video, my message, because someone else has a short attention span, or someone else is not willing to sit down and focus because their business matters that much to them. If your business really matters to you, you'll sit down and listen to whatever lesson you need to listen to, and you'll pay attention. We don't have a short attention span, because if someone is doing a story time and it's got 42 parts and each part is like 10 minutes long, you sit down and you watch, you play the video in the background, you do all those things. But when it comes to your business, where you're supposed to listen to certain lessons about marketing, about sales, about managing your finances, whatever it is that you need to do or need to learn, then all of a sudden you have a short attention span. All of a sudden you need someone to make little 2 minute, 3 minute videos for you to be able to absorb the information. No, you're just not willing to learn. You're just not willing to do the things that are needed to take your business from where it is, where you're struggling, to actually making sales and being successful. And then you'll sit and feel like God is not hearing you, God is not blessing your business. But He is. He told you what to do. You just need to go and do your part so that He can take care of the outcome, so that He can now make sure that your efforts actually yield results. For someone else, God may have told you you need to show your face more on your business. You need to show your face more, and He can do that through showing you a video from someone, where someone is telling you the benefits of showing your face more. Someone is telling you that it's important for you to show a face. It doesn't have to be your specific face. If you can get a model or whatever, or a content creator to create content for your business, people want to see your face. They want to associate your business with an actual person, not just see products. And God will place such information before in front of you, and you will still go and find excuses. I'm shy. I'm so scared of showing my face. Okay, do you have a sister, a friend who is willing to, wear your product or use your product, and you can take videos or pictures of them? You can still do that, but you're going to find excuses because you're not willing to put in the work. You just want God to perform a miracle, and then all of a sudden you're getting all these sales by doing the bare minimum or even less than the bare minimum. So the next time you are struggling with sales and you go to God and you ask for a solution, you ask Him to help you, and He puts solutions, He puts information, He puts instructions and tasks before you, in front of you, go and do it. Go and do it. Don't try and stay in your comfort zone. Nobody succeeds by staying in their comfort zone. Nobody succeeds by avoiding doing the hard things, the things that take you out of your comfort zone, the things that challenge you. There is no room for ego and comfort if you are trying to succeed, especially in business.